friends, thanks for coming back for part 2 of this fruit cut box DIY Easter basket tutorial. If you want to see how I turn this into this, just keep watching. You're going to need tape, a ruler, scissors, and construction paper cut into 1-inch wide strips. Right now would be a good time to pause the video to write down the quantities and lengths and label your strips. Now that all 4 corners are done, we're going to continue working with strip C. Lay the strips side by side. Lay them close, but make sure that they don't overlap. And then you're only going to tape the bottom of the strip to the box. As you're laying them next to each other, try to make sure that you're lining up the top edges. It'll just look much neater when you're all finished. And just continue this process until this side is done. Now we're going to weave in strip A, which is your longest strip, just going over and under the attached strips all the way across. Then you can just tuck the ends of strip A into those corner pieces you attached earlier. For the second strip, you want to start under first and then go over in order to achieve the basket weave effect. So now for the strip ends that are kind of still standing up there in front of the handle, you can leave it that way if you want to. I did do that on another basket, but for this one, I'm just going to snip along the sides of the handle and then fold back the little tabs and secure everything in place with tape. And don't worry about the tape showing. You won't see it after we cover the handle. So on this side, you can see this last strip was a little too wide for the space. It's important not to have any overlap. So I just needed to eyeball it and then trim a little bit off of this strip so it would fit right in. Now just weave in strip B to finish off the shorter sides. Now we're going to use our last 12 strips. I have 6 red and 6 blue. I'm just going to lay them one by one on the handle, wrap it around, and secure it with tape. And now that the basket itself is completely covered, you can add your favorite Easter basket filler in any colors you like. Of course, you can get some from the store, you know, that kind that clings to everything. But if you're interested in seeing how I made this DIY Easter basket filler out of tissue paper, just click on the link at the top of the screen. And here's how it turned out. When you do your basket, feel free to vary it a little bit. If you want to make the strips 2 inches wide or use 1 color of construction paper or even 3, it's up to you. I hope you like how it turns out. And if you do, be sure to leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.